Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use a NotebookLM Plus. You can get NotebookLM by upgrading to Google One Premium or a higher plan. This gives you more access to Gemini AI, higher usage limits and larger notebook sizes. After you have bought the paid plan, open NotebookLM and you will see a plus button at the top right of the screen. This indicates that you have been upgraded to the paid version. In the paid version, you can create up to 500 notebooks, compared to 100 in the free plan. You can also upload up to 300 sources per notebook, while the free plan only allows 50. This means you can store more documents, PDFs, and web articles in one place. Daily chat queries increase from 50 per day in the free version to 500 per day in NotebookLM Plus. You can ask the AI questions about your content and get detailed answers without worrying about hitting limits. Deep research queries also improve. Free users can run 10 per month, while Plus users can run 20 per day. Audio generations are expanded as well. In the free version, you can generate 3 per day, while in the Plus version, you can create 20. Multimedia overviews are also improved. Both versions can generate content like video overviews, reports, quizzes, and flashcards, but the Plus version significantly increases limits. Thanks for watching.